Hello guys, today I'm presenting to you another new text-based course on Laravel Daily.com, which is about React.js, React client for the Laravel API. And this kind of concludes the three-part series, the trilogy of courses. In January, we've released Laravel API for car parking application, just Laravel API. Then in the comments, people asked to create clients for that, front-end clients, and we did exactly that. In February, we released the client with Vue.js, so front-end course with just Vue.js for those of you who want to become like total full-stack developers. So it's not like Laravel plus Vue.js, it's totally a front-end based course, starting to install Vue.js and configure Vue.js with external Laravel API. And similarly, we've released the course in March now with React. It's identical functionality to the Vue.js course, so visually client for parking application API is in Laravel somewhere else on the server, and in this case we're creating front-end application with React.js. Speaking of React, pretty recently on this YouTube channel I had a comment which I tweeted then. So kind of a side note, why React is not that popular in Laravel community, although it's hugely popular general in the world. Of course, there are technical reasons maybe, but what I've noticed mostly is that Vue and Alpine, for example, creators were active in Laravel community from the very beginning. So Evan You and Caleb Porzio, creator of Alpine, same actually happened with Adam Wathan with Tailwind. They all became quite big players in Laravel community, and their tools are kind of integrated more or less with Laravel and with Laravel packages. React is not the case, so it's kind of outsider. Despite its huge popularity, it doesn't have that much content and overview and usage in Laravel. So with this course, I hope we will help you with that, and let's run through the first lesson so you would understand what's it about. As usual on YouTube, that's what I do. I show the first few lessons in video or in text, and then if you want the full course, the link will be in the description below, and also it's available for all the premium members of Laravel Daily.com. So we start with React application with Vite, npm init Vite, and then we choose React as a framework. It installs the application, and the result of that is simply this homepage, Vite plus React. So it's a very short first lesson, like introduction to install stuff. Then project setup is a bit more complicated, the second lesson. It's about removing the unnecessary files that come with that default installation. Then we installed Tailwind for the future design, configured it a bit with JSX, for example. It's important for React specifically. A few more configuration options, CSS, Vite config. This is important for React, so Vite has plugin for React, and we need to activate it in Vite. And then after we update all the main project files, we have this with some simple styling with Tailwind. Additionally, we can configure slint. It's optional, but totally useful. So this is lesson number 2. And lesson number 3 is React routing. So how the routes work in React. For example, you want home view and register view. So you need React router DOM for that. Then you define those pages as JSX, like home JSX and register JSX components. And in the main JSX, you provide the routing like this with this syntax. So here's where I will stop in this course. If you want to continue creating such React application, go to laraveldaily.com or follow the link in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.